So y'all, it ain't really nothing worse than thinking that you got an appointment at a certain time and you really don't. I was about to charge my appointment a no call no show fee because it had been 10 minutes after 1, but his appointment ain't till 2, so there's that. Since I got some time, I just keep shopping. So I was at Ollie's, the discount store, and I went to Marshall's and got some products and stuff too. And then also I ordered some stuff from Pure O. So Pure O, we'll start with that. This is the braiding gel that I've been using lately. I like it a lot. This container is like 19, or it's less than that. It's like 16 or something like that from their website. But if you order it off of Amazon, it's like 19. So I was basically able to get about 2 of these for the same price as I would get for like 1 on Amazon. But either way, so I got this, my braiding gel. Like I said, I tried that other one, that purple one. It worked pretty good, but this one, I know I can use a good amount of it and it's not gonna turn white, so this is my preferred gel. This is just some stuff for my bathroom. So I got some air freshener, the Febreze Air Forest. Smells good. Y'all know my everything up in here is green, so why not get the green air freshener? Then I also got some sanitizing spray. So you gotta use the toilet and you need to spray it down, you can feel secure that it's clean. And I also got some of these Unstoppables for the small spaces. Usually I have candles burning out in my like shop area where everything's at, so I don't really need these for out there, but for the bathroom, I guess. Then let's get to the stuff I got from Marshall's. So I got this brush. It's by the Wet brand. I got clips and stuff from them, but this is just kind of like a powder brush for thick and coarse hair. Aqua Vent technology for easy cleanup and drainage. Won't scratch your scalp, safe for use with treatment. So this is like a brush for a treatment. So if you put like a deep conditioner in or Olaplex treatment or stuff like that, so you can kind of move it around the head. I probably didn't need it, but I like that it has these big rubberized teeth. I feel like it'll be good for like scalp. Oh yeah, this feel good. It'll be good for like scalp manipulation and stuff like that, making sure that you can get a little good massage with your scalp. So I got this big old giant teeth, look like a science experiment. All right, let's see what else I got. So I got a small round. So this everything I got, I think was this on sale? I thought it was, but I guess it ain't. This was $8. I guess I spent $8 for this. I thought it was like $4 or something. So I got a small round brush. So I've been trying to get better with round brushing, but the ones I have are all kind of big. And like for people that's got shorter hair, it doesn't work. So these are the ones I have. They're like bigger round brushes, which this one is like my favorite one because it doesn't have like this grippy stuff on the sides. And I'm kind of using these wood bristle ones, but I prefer this. I got a smaller one because this one is too big for everybody's hair. I can't use this on everybody, but this one I should be able to. This was only $3, which is a good price for a round brush. They'd be like 15 and 20 and stuff like that. $7, $8, just depending on where you get it from and how much, or yeah, just really depend on where you get it from. But I'm excited about this one. I think it'll be good. I like the grip on there. And it's, like I said, it's small, so I can really use this on anybody. And like I said, it was $3. So then, let's see what else I got. So I got this hairspray. It ain't got no top on it, but this is what I've been using, the bedhead. And I switch between hard holding sprays. Like I don't really have a favorite in particular. And I was gonna go get the Tresemme, but this was only $4. So I was like, why not? Let's see how much it originally is. It says 14 for suggested retail. Maybe it was like 10 or 12 or something. Yeah, originally it was $8, so it was like half off. I think that was a good price, but I'm gonna take this one off of here. I still got a little bit left in this one, but I did need a firm holding spray. Look. God, no! But yeah, it fit perfectly. So BioSilk Silk Therapy, I use some of their, I don't really use BioSilk as much as I used to. I usually go for Chi instead of BioSilk, but their products are good, so I think this will be good. I'm gonna put this back on there until I get ready to use it. Dang, I can't believe I sprayed that all in my face and my mouth. Like, what the heck? Bro. But yeah, that was $4. Then this product right here, baby, I just got this. If you watch my vlog, I just bought this. I'm a little ways through with this one. Like, I'm probably like halfway, more than halfway down. So to find this at Marshall's was clutch. I think that the original one, I think I paid like maybe $15 or something for it. And it's got a whole bunch of sale tags on it. So I think they probably had it in there and nobody was messing with it because they didn't know what it was. But if your hair gets bleach damaged, this thing will really turn it around. Like, even if it's not completely damaged, if you notice like your yeah, this was $12.99. So it's more than this more than it is at the professional beauty supply, but less. Cause but yeah, if you've like bleached your hair or anything like that, you're experiencing kind of like the frizziness of bleach, or it's just feeling your hair's not feeling right, this will bring it back to a normal feel. Like, it adds porosity and it's a rinse off. It's kind of like what you would get with the keratin treatment, or not keratin treatment, but like a Olaplex treatment, but it's one step. And there is a second part of this, but this alone really will change the feel of your hair. And go to Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Ross, all them kind of places. They have professional hair care stuff, and as you see, I got everything that I bought on sale. So I probably paid like $20 for a lot of stuff, and if I was at the professional beauty supply, that probably would have been like 25 to 30, maybe 35, honestly, with all the stuff that I got. But yeah, so that's my little Holly haul, and be blessed. I'll see you later. Oh, I forgot to tell you about this too. This is something that I bought recently. So I don't like to clean, and I just don't, and I kind of suck at it. But I got a shop, I gotta clean it. Like, somebody gotta clean it, and I'm not really, I don't really want to pay nobody to do it. So I got this. This is the Bissell, this is the, what the fuck is Block Ink? You got to check your PayPal. People be charging me like, what the heck is that? This is the Bissell Power Fresh Deluxe Steam Mop. Oh my gosh, this thing works so well. So I had a lot of like black scuff marks on my, so you see this little those little brushes right there. So you can take this bottom part off, which has the mop and the pad, and you can use this in the like really scrapes, and it has the steam coming out. All the black marks gone. Like, this clean my floor so good, and with such ease, you can see there's a demonstration of how it works. But yeah, this thing was fire. It was like $100. I got it from Best Buy, and I'm messing with it. I like it a lot. Oh yeah, you can see they pull it off. But yeah, this, goodbye. And I think that's it. That's it. Peace.